Please turn next right. Follow the road for 1 kilometer. Leave the roundabout at the first exit, then take the next left turn. Right exit and follow the E19. Please turn next right.